If you're running an operation, it's essential to understand how effectively and efficiently your team is performing every task in the operation. Whether that's cultivation, post-harvest, processing, manufacturing, it's important to understand what drives efficiency in each process and how you can improve it over time. KPIs can be broken down into different areas of your business: yield or output, sales or labor, but we're going to focus specifically on labor KPIs. When you're defining and tracking these key performance indicators, it's important to track the time spent by every single staff involved in the process, including the managers and supervisors, and you can use that to track each output for every process. Here's some examples of KPIs we like to use in cultivation specifically. When you're cloning, you can look at clones per person per hour. Again, keep track of every single person involved in that process. The person taking cuts, the person sticking the plants, processing the cuttings, and any floaters. Management should also be included. For defoliation, you can look at how much bench area or how many tables per hour can be completed with certain size teams. Mother cutbacks can be tracked the same way. Even for cleaning, when you're turning over a room between crops, you can track the man hours required to do a complete turnover cleaning, and you can see if it's worthwhile to add manpower in order to get a crop back in that room as quick as possible. When we get into the harvest and post-harvest side of things, how many people are required to take down a room and how long does it take? How many pounds or kilos of product can a person trim per hour? So once you've set the baselines for your KPIs, how long is it taking you now to perform each task for a certain output? Start by creating achievable expectations and standards for each KPI. Then you can kind of drive the team towards friendly competition, towards increasing these KPIs. Each KPI should be tied to the success of your company. So as these KPIs improve, you are doing tasks more efficiently, the company is making more money, and everyone is successful in the company as a result. This helps build strong teams, drive friendly competition, and overall we found this to be a very effective tool for increasing efficiency in a cultivation facility and leads to more successful companies. When managing facilities in the past, we've always liked to reward teams or individuals for meeting or exceeding KPIs. It's important to celebrate all the wins, no matter how big or small. We'd love to hear how you incorporate KPIs into your production facility, and we'd be happy to help you incorporate this into your business to build happier teams, more output, and a more successful company.